Welcome to today's video, everybody, and today we are at Sunnyfields Farm and it is pumpkin time. If you are looking to go pumpkin picking in Hampshire, Sunnyfields Farm is situated just 10 minutes from the M27 on the edge of the New Forest. Booking was on a timed entry and we had a 9 to 9:30 slot booked. But even though you had a timed entry, you are free to stay as long as you wanted and the tickets were £4 each.
Make your way to the pumpkin patch, grab your wheelbarrow and start picking.
They have lots of wheelbarrows around for you to borrow. One pumpkin is pretty heavy, so if you want to buy a couple, I would definitely recommend grabbing a barrow. Once inside, the place isn't too big and it's really easy to walk around and see all they have on show. Max was keen to get picking and he chose our first pumpkin virtually as soon as we got in there. There were some really cool Halloween scenes set up, so we took some time wandering around these, keeping one eye on the pumpkins in case we saw another one we liked. Here are a few of the sideshows and the things to look at other than the pumpkins. Another one of their cool displays they have here.
And here comes a fearful soul now. Why, they look about as green under the gills as that guppy I just threw in.
But don't just stand there, squeeze some tears out of them, and our witch's brew will be complete.
And we think our favourite was definitely this mocked up diving board, diving into a pool of rotten pumpkins, and they really did stink as well. So they have loads of these cool displays here. We've seen an old car, we've seen this hut with a spider on top, there's a tractor over there was massive pumpkins over there that you saw. So much to look at, and all we've come to do is buy some pumpkins. As you can see, there are lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of pumpkins to look through and choose the ones you'd like to take home. They were spread out on pallets all around the area and you could just walk around and pick out the ones you wanted. They also had massive containers full of them. Just take a look at all these. And time for a quick look round the other facilities. And as you'd expect, they've also got a pretty cool cafe here as well, which we're going to have a quick coffee at. Can always do with a coffee.
And it's a quick look in the special shop they've set up before we head to the pumpkin checkout. And apart from those teeny tiny pumpkins you saw out front, they have a pop-up Halloween shop selling various Halloween bits and pieces, buckets and the odd broom for a witch's broomstick, things like that. Scary stuff.
We all took 3 pumpkins.
One each?
Yeah. Daddy got this one, I got the black one, Mummy got the white one.
And the last one. Here we go.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us. That was our quick wander around Sunnyfields Farm doing our pumpkin picking. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.